So a very nice little 90 Defender here, as you'll see, currently sporting a hard top. It's a nice, straight, clean condition. The owner fancies something a little bit different. So this week we'll be fitting a convertible top on the vehicle with a heavy duty roll bar. We'll take you step by step through the work so you can see what we've been up to and how it looks when we're finished. So here we are in the Vizu workshop, and as you'll see, the Defender has now gone into work and we're probably about the halfway point. Roof is now off, headlining out, side panels down. Let's give you a little look round at this point. Would be kind of nice if you could leave it like this, wouldn't it really? But then we're in the UK and it rains most of the time. So, work's well underway. We'll do another little video later on and show you how we're getting on with it. Roof should be going on later today. Okay, and here we are, roof on, and looking very, very different to the Defender that came in just a couple of days ago. Hard top to soft top in 3 easy steps.